In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to share Crunchyroll with friends. Let's get started. You can share your Crunchyroll account by allowing someone you can trust to sign in using your account credentials. The number of devices that can stream at the same time depends on your premium subscription. The fan plan supports streaming on one device at a time. The mega fan plan supports up to 4 simultaneous streams, and the ultimate fan plan supports up to 6 simultaneous streams. To keep everyone's watch history, recommendations, and watch list separate, Crunchyroll lets you create up to 5 profiles on your account. To add a new profile, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of Crunchyroll website or app. Then select the option Switch Profile. Click on Manage Profiles. Click on Add New. Now select the username. Then choose a background and an avatar for the new profile, then click Done. The new profile will now appear in your account, and you can switch between profiles at any time from the Switch Profiles menu. Now you can share this Crunchyroll's credentials to the friend to whom you want to share your Crunchyroll account. So that's it. This way you can easily share Crunchyroll with friends. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.